Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So when you unblock a profile, their profile will become available to see your posts on Facebook that you share with the public. The profile will not automatically become your friend on Facebook. You would have to send a friend request, or they would have to send a friend request to you once you unblock them. Please note that once you unblock a profile, you will not be able to block it again for a few days, I believe. So in order to unblock someone on Facebook, all you have to do is go up to the top right corner and select your profile account icon, left click on it, and then select Settings and Privacy, and then select the setting gear icon right here. On the left side, you want to go and locate where it says Audience and Visibility, and then underneath here, you want to select where it says blocking at the bottom. On the right side, underneath manage blocking, block users, you want to select the edit button right here, and then you can select see your block list. And if you want to unblock that individual, you can search for it if you have a lot of people in here, but you just go ahead and select the unblock option. So once you're done unblocking them, again, they will be able to see your timeline or contact you. Tags that you and the other person previously added of each other may be restored. And you can also remove tags of yourself on your activity log. Select confirm, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.